Today we're at Lion Vision, and for me this is really exciting. This was essentially something to do with machine learning.
We're doing vision-based machine learning.
What I've got here is one of these infamous vapes that you've got the number one problem, which is the lithium-based batteries. These things aren't good because they can explode and create electrical fires.
What we're currently able to detect are these sort of standard lithium-ion packs, various types of vapes, which are very volatile.
So I'd say that's really good. That's like 95% batteries in there. So this is where I was watching cyclists go by with their high-vis jackets. And whilst we were on lunch, I went and just got some of this reflective tape.
Anything to make it easier in the future is obviously going to be good for me. So.
But I think this is the sort of thinking we need when battery manufacturers are putting things out. They need to also be responsible for getting it back.
No, exactly. And you visit recycling centres, and a large part of recycling centres is enabling producer responsibility.
I'm not even going to pretend this isn't awesome. I'm grinning like an idiot already. Look at it go. Look at that. That is
Yeah,
popping.
no, it absolutely pops out there.
So this is where you think, could we put this to legislation to say the only way we could detect things is if they become more detectable? And I think that for me is going to be the catalyst for not just new opportunities, but actually new jobs and new ways of thinking about how we can improve our circular economies and our sustainable design. But it also makes you think about what other industries could be transformed by this.
I think in the modern day, you really need to make sure you don't fall behind in terms of technology. And so machine learning is definitely one of those buzzwords that gets knocked around a lot, but this is really something that can be applied to a problem and can really change the world.